Welcome back to my channel, Simple Software Tips. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clear the caching on your website. So there are a bunch of different reasons why you'd want to do this. Perhaps you are trying to validate that you've added a new file, or that you've added a new plugin or a new post or whatnot. And this also just helps your website run a little bit faster. So this is a super simple process. You can do this pretty much anywhere on your website as long as you have like your WordPress navigation bar at the top. You go to caching, purge all, and it's going to look like it didn't do anything. It'll just reload the page, but that is how simple it is to purge like your caching and reset your caching on your website in WordPress. Again, this helps things run a little bit faster. Maybe it helps with your ad partners or loading different things. I found it really helpful when I am working on getting my ad.txt file going, or when I'm doing the Search Console stuff. So I hope that you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe if you are feeling generous, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.